Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And how is your Ganpati Bappa? Yesterday, Ganpati Bappa arrived in everyone's home. Yes or no? तो अपने गणपति बप्पा के साथ क्या क्या किया? पूजा की अपने. We did puja, आरती, and have you help your mama to prepare modak for Ganpati Bappa? Yes, very good. So yesterday was Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, so from yesterday we are celebrating this Ganesh Chaturthi for the 11 days. Okay, so children, now we have to study, है ना. हमें स्टडी भी करनी है, गणपति बप्पा के साथ स्टडी भी करनी है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, टुडे we are going to learn some new letters. Okay, today we are going to learn some new letters, that is D. Okay, which letter we are going to learn today? We are going to learn letter D. Yes, see children, this is capital D and this is small d. Yes, capital D and small d, mama letter and baby letter. Yes, so how it is looks, how does it looks, which patterns we want to we need to write to make letter D? We'll see. A standing line and a big semicircle makes letter D. Okay, so children, once again we will do in the air. Okay, standing line and a semicircle makes letter D. And do you know what is the phonic sound of D? The phonic sound of D is D. What is the sound of D? D. And the action is D, 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 D. जैसे हम ड्रम बजाते हैं ना, वैसे ड ड ड्रम. ड्रम कैसे बजाते हैं? ड ड ड ड. ऐसे आपको एक्शन भी करनी है और ड ड ड ड भी बोलना है. ओके, सो डू इट विथ मी. ड ड ड ड ड ड ड ड. Yes, very good. This is the action and the phonic sound of letter D. Okay, now we'll see some words which are starting with the letter D. Okay, children? Okay, see children, this is capital D and this is small d. Which letter it is? D. D for drum and the phonic sound of D is D. Okay, so we will read the words which are starting with the letter D and you have to repeat after me. Okay, you have to repeat all those words after me. Okay, children? So D and the sound is D. D, D, dice. D for dice. D for dog. D for dog. D for drum. See, D for drum. How the dog is playing on the drum. See, drum. D for duck. D for duck. D for doctor. D, D, doctor. D for donkey. D for donkey. Okay, now we'll read some more words. Okay, D for deer. What it is? Deer. D for deer. D for den. D for den. Den is a house of lions and tigers. Okay, हम जैसे घर में रहते हैं ना, वैसे वो den में रहते हैं. D for desk. D for dinner. D for dish. D for doll. D for door. D for dustbin. D for dot. Okay, so these are the words which are starting with the letter D and you have to repeat all those words. Okay, you have to read all those words. Okay, so now children, we are going to see, after reading these words, we are going to see how to write letter D. Okay, so everyone open your handwriting book to the page number 14. Which page number? Page number 14. Okay, see children, this is letter D, right? CW Okay, right, CW and today's date, that is 11 slash 9 slash 2021. Okay, 11th September 2021. Okay children, so now first of all we will trace on the letter D with the with our index finger. Okay, so start tracing on the letter D. Standing line and a semicircle makes letter D. Standing line and a semicircle makes letter D. Okay, so now we will trace on the given patterns. Standing line and a semicircle makes letter D. So everyone take your pencil and start tracing with me. Standing line, standing line, standing line, then semicircle, semicircle, one more semicircle, and then we have to write both the patterns together. Okay, so standing line and a semicircle makes letter D. Okay, now we will write the both the patterns together. Standing line and a semicircle makes letter D. Standing line and a semicircle makes letter D. See children, this is a letter D. Okay, so now we will write in the 4 lines. Okay, so from the pink line to blue line, one standing line, and from the pink line to third one blue line, we have to write semicircle. Okay, see children, this is letter D. Standing line and a semicircle, letter D. Standing line and a semicircle, letter D. Standing line and a semicircle, letter D. Okay, so like this you have to write, you have to trace on the fold the page. Okay, how you'll say, how you'll trace, you have to say and trace. Okay, D, D for dog, or you can say D, D, drum, D, D, dog. Okay, you can say D is for dog, D, D, dog, D is for drum, D, D, drum. Okay, like this song also you can sing. Okay, so after letter D we are going to learn letter B. Which letter? You can see the letter B here. Okay, see children, this is letter B. Capital B and small b. Capital B and small b. B is for bat. B is for bat. B is for bat. And do you know what is the sound of letter B? The sound of letter B is B. What is the sound of letter B? B. And the action is B. B, B, bat, like hitting a ball with the bat. Okay? B, B, bat. B, B, bat. Okay? So this is the action and the sound of letter B. B, B, bat. B, 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 B. Okay? So this is the action and the sound of letter B. So now do it with me. Fast, fast, fast. Do it with me. Yes. B. What is the action? This. And what is the sound? B. So do it together. B. 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 Okay. So this is the sound and the action of letter B. Okay. So children, now we will read some letters which are some words which are starting with the letter B. Okay. You can see B. B for bat. B, B, bat. B for ball. B, B, ball. Okay. So this is capital letter. and this is small letter, mama letter and baby letter. Okay, so shall we read the words? Okay, and you have to repeat all the words after me. Okay, so children, let's get started to read. B for butterfly, butterfly. B for bread, bread. B for banana, banana. B for balloon, balloon, balloon. B for butter, butter, butter. B for ball, ball. B for baby, baby. B for bear, bear. B for what? Bear, bear. Now in this box we have some more words to read. Okay. B for bag, B for bat. B for bee, B for bell, book, boy, bus, bird, board. Okay, so these are all the words which are starting with the letter B, and you have to read them with your parents. Okay, so now everyone open your handwriting book. Now we are going to see how to write letter B. Okay, how to write letter B. So everyone open your handwriting book to the page number 10 and write CW and today's date, that is 11/9/2021. Okay, 2021. See children, this is letter B. B for ball, ball. So first of all we will start to trace with our index finger. So take your index finger, keep on this dot and start to trace standing line, semicircle, one more semicircle, letter B, standing line, semicircle and one more semicircle, letter B. Okay, so everyone now take your pencil and start to trace on the letter B, standing line, semicircle, one more semicircle, letter B. Okay, so start tracing. First you have to trace on the standing line, again on the standing line, then you have some trace on semicircle, semicircle, semicircle. Okay, two semicircles we have to write. See, semicircle, 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 come on, semicircle. Okay, semicircle, semicircle. Now we have to write both of the patterns, means standing line and semicircles together. Okay, so start tracing on the first on the standing line, then semicircle, again one semicircle, letter B. B is for ball, B is for bat. Okay, so after tracing on the given pattern, we will trace on the letter B in the 4 lines. Okay, so how you will trace? So first of all you have to write a standing line in the given 3 lines. Those are pink, blue line. Okay, then first semicircle should come in the first in between 2 lines. Okay, first and second line. Then another second semicircle should come in the second and third blue line. Okay, so standing line, semicircle and one more semicircle. See children, first standing line you have to write in the 3 lines, then one semicircle will come in the first two lines, okay, pink and blue line. Then another one second semicircle will come in the second and third blue line, okay. So like this you have to write letter B. B. B is for bat. B. B. Bat. Like this you have to say and write, or you can sing a song. B is for bat. B. B. Bat. B is for ball. B. B. Ball. B is for bat. B. B. Bat. B is for ball. B. B. Ball. Okay. So this is a song you can sing and write, okay children. So after tracing in the handwriting book, we have to write in a notebook, okay. So everyone open your notebook, your 4-line book, okay, your 4-line book, and we will write in a 4-line book letter B and D, okay, letter B and D. So first of all we will write letter D. So everyone write classwork, and at the left corner write date 11/9/2021, okay, 11th September 2021, okay children. So children, take your pencil and first we will draw a picture of duck, okay. See children, how you'll draw, I'll show you. So first you have to write number 2 like this, okay. See, like this you have to write number 2. With the help of number 2 we will draw a duck, okay. So like this you have to draw number 2. Then from here you have to draw a big upside U pattern, okay. Like this you have to draw one upside U pattern, okay. Then with the help of 2 slanting lines we'll make beak and eyes, okay. See children, and here one more this pattern we will draw, okay. Like this you have to draw a picture of duck, okay, a picture of duck. D for duck, yes or no, D for duck, okay. And then down what we will do, we will color the duck, you have to color with the yellow color, and down we will draw some water like this, okay. We will draw some water over here like this, okay. So this is called as D, and here we will write a box, we will draw a box and we will write letter D like this, okay. And one more picture we have to draw. So what we will draw, we will draw a drum, okay. We will draw a drum, drum, okay. So children, for drum we have to draw one oval shape like this, can you see, one oval shape like this. Then one more oval shape inside first oval shape, and then a small oval shape like this, okay. Like this oval shape you have to draw. Then one standing line, and from here we will draw one more oval shape. Okay, so this is called as drum. And now we will draw some design with the help of up and down pattern. Okay, with the help of up and down pattern. And then we will draw sticks like this. See, like this you have to draw slanting lines and then a circle over here. Okay, from the both of side. Okay, like this. So this is drum. D for drum. What it is? D for drum. So after that, tell your mama to draw 4 columns for you, and we will write letter D. On the first line, your mama will write letter D, and then you have to write letter D down by yourself. Okay. So first you have to draw standing line and then one semicircle. Standing line and one semicircle. Okay. Letter D. D is for drum. D, d, drum. D is for duck. D, d, duck. Okay, children. So like this you have to sing and write the letter D. Okay. So now turn the page. After D, which letter we have learnt? Yes, tell me. After D, which letter we have learnt? Yes, very good. We have learnt letter D. Letter B. So B is for what? B is for yes. So children write CW and today's date. Okay. And we will draw a ball. So draw a big circle. Okay. Draw a big circle and a small circle at the right corner. Okay. Then we will draw some lines, curve lines like this. See children. Like this, some curve lines you have to draw, and you have to color the ball with the beautiful colors. Okay. Then we will draw ball, and then first we will write a letter B here. Okay. And we will draw a bat. Okay. So slanting line. For the bat you have to draw two slanting lines like this. Okay. Two slanting lines, and then we have to join them with the curve line. Okay. With the help of curve line. Okay. Then two small slanting lines and then two standing lines like this. See children. Okay. And then two slanting lines here and one big standing lines. This is B. B for bat, B for ball. Okay. And then tell your mama to draw 4 columns for you, and on the first line mama will write letter B. Okay. And then you have to write down standing line, semicircle, semicircle. B. B is for ball. Ball. B is for bat. Bat. B is for ball. Ball. B is for bat. Bat. Okay. So like this song you have to sing, and then you have to write. Okay. So you will feel not bored while writing. Okay. And automatically the sound of the letters also you can remembering easily. So as a homework, after finishing our classwork, we have to write a homework. Okay. So for the homework you have to write letter B and D 2 times. Okay. So letter B and D you have to write 2 times. Okay children. Thank you. Bye bye.